I figure I'd do another one tonight since the 18 truck. Quick 4 or 5 minute video. This one might take a little bit longer, but I finally was able to complete this set. Well, complete. I don't have one car because it was a fantasy car. I'm trying to steer away from collecting fantasy cars as much as possible. Anyway, this is a Walmart exclusive truck series for Hot Wheels. It's been out for a while, but I was just missing the one car. So I got all of them that I wanted, all 9. I just passed on the half beater. Let's start off with this 40 Ford pickup. Cool artwork on these pieces here. It's different. There's this, shows all the cars. Let's take a look at the car itself. So it's a little drag racing pickup. Wheelie bars on the back. Not a bad green looking pickup. Cool tampos. Bolts 5-star wheels. Good little grill work there. Black base. See, everything's black. But that's number 1. The set. Number 2 is this 49 Ford F1. There it is. Nice gold metallic color on this one. Maybe even more towards the copper. Nice classic Tampa work on here. Nice steelies. Chrome grill, chrome base, but they went with black interior, thankfully. Goes with a black truck bed. Really, really nice paint job on this. The wheels go really well with this pickup. That's a nice, solid truck. Lots of these. I have lots of those by now. Number 3 might be. There's a 70 Dodge Power Wagon, which was popular in that last series. This one, not so much. Why? Well, because this one does not have the metal base like the last one did. This one's plastic. There's that Dodge that was hard to find in the last series, with the metal base. Here's this one, the plastic chrome base. Black interior. Same exact car, just a metal base. Obviously same tool. This one's cool though. Nice Tampa work. Same wheels, just got the white lips on the rims. That's number 3. Number 4. This is 15 Ford F-150. Nice black. Cool tampo work on this. Another chrome base. So you get a chrome grill, chrome bumper. You get the side tampos, so they go with the tail lights right there, which is okay to me, I guess. Gray interior. This one's got the dual moonroof. Not bad. It's 4, so 5. So this is the one that I finally grabbed the other day, which is the hard one to get out of the whole set. Why? Because it has a metal base. And this thing is really, really nice, and probably definitely the best out of the whole set. Nice yellow metallic metal base, man. This thing is solid. Love the front grille. Well, this is a nice piece all in all, but the metal just gives it a nice touch. It's the same with this. You look at that front grille compared to this chrome. Right, this just looks better in my opinion. The chrome's nice, but this thing is built. I feel like I can snap that. I know I can't, but I feel like I can. Anyway, yeah, this is a sweet, sweet Chevy pickup. The 83 Silverado, which is the hard one to find, the gem of this series. And I kept looking and looking, and then found it. So there it is in all its glory. Not gonna really. I love the black. Yellow and black always look good. These are all gonna be good rollers, obviously. So that was, what number was that? 5. So 6 was the Path Beater, which I passed on. 7 is the Custom 62 Chevy pickup. I love this pickup. I love this blue color. I like the tampo work. Black base, right? But they put the chrome interior. No good for me. Love the wheels on here. Just the chrome interior, just, I don't know, just bothers me. This thing's slammed. Nice steelies. Looks like this is tucking way too deep too. But I guess if you look at it from that angle, it's a pretty sweet truck. It's a nice piece. We got 8, 9, and 10. So 8's the Power Wagon, Dodge Power Wagon. Which I don't think I have any of these. Nice midnight blue. Gray racing stripes. Got a bed cover in gray. Gray base. You get the gray bumpers. Gray mesh grill insert. Gray interior. I'm not even sure what they call these wheels. All the new wheels, I have no idea the names for them. I just call them construction tires or off-road tires. These are off-road tires with the red lips. It's a pretty sweet piece. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have any of these Power Wagons in my collection. I would have to look. Well, that's nice. Different. Definitely have a bunch of these custom 69 Chevys. I almost feel like I have I know I've had this purple and many of the Chevys actually. Nice metallic purple. You get the white, chrome grille, chrome base, black interior. Nice piece. Yeah. Got a little suspension on it, huh? Oh, sits really good. There's that. Here we go, the 63 Studebaker Champ. Now, I know I don't have any of these. I'm almost positive. This one has Goodyear sponsorship and Champion on it. Looks like more of a race truck. Got the pipes coming out the side. Cool front end on this. White, black, and red look really nice together. Can't go wrong with that. Black interior, black wheels. Nice Tampa work. I love the stripe on the side with the Studebaker on the rear. I actually probably gonna say this is my favorite out of the group, just because one, it's a Studebaker, so it's nice and unique, and I don't believe I have any of these in my collection. And the livery on this is really, really sweet in my opinion. So I'm gonna say this is the star of the group, and then I'm gonna go with this, of course, metal on metal Chevy. I do like this Power Wagon. Then I like the suspension on this. Then I'll go with number 5 as the old school Power Wagon. And then I'll go with the 49. I guess I'll go with the old school drag Ford. I'll go with the F-150. And I'll go with this last. But there they are. Took a while just because I was looking for this, and I tend to try to make these set videos all together. Just like I have Open Track, but I'm still missing the NSX GT3, so I don't want to open the rest yet. All these black walls, the old school wheels on this. I'm missing the Monte Carlo in this, so I don't want to open that up yet. So try to get the sets, I have miscellaneous Hot Wheels and Matchbox I need to get to as well, but got that, so finally, wanted to open it and share it with you guys. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next.